liquid viscous, temperature sensitive, ingredients that oxidize easily, you know that packaging high viscosity anhydrous cream is far more complicated than you think. But how is it that Mittiway's packaging line manages to keep bags from sticking, oil from leaking, and oxidizing? Today, we take you on a journey to decipher the answers. What is the packaging journey of a drop of anhydrous cream? First, it starts with the carton erector of the carton. The automatic carton erector unfolds cartons at a rate of 20 cartons per minute, folding, forming, and positioning them in a single pass, making a standard start for subsequent packaging. This is followed by the key step, automatic bag insertion. Food-grade, multi-layer inner bags are used, which are automatically propped up, anti-static adsorbed, and automatically corrected in position, eliminating manual contact and improving hygiene levels. The system supports automatic bag roll replacement, reducing downtime. Anhydrous cream is extremely sensitive to temperature. Too hot will lead to the destruction of ingredients, too cold will lead to unstable flow. Therefore, Mittiway packaging line is equipped with a full thermostatic control system. The pipeline and filling head are heated to control the temperature to ensure the cream flows under the best viscosity condition. Servo filling system plus electronic weighing feedback, precise control so that every gram of precise bag, not to waste every drop of grease. Sealing is the gatekeeper of the cream hermetically preserved. We use double heat sealing plus vacuuming plus optional nitrogen filling to effectively isolate air and moisture, prevent oxidation and caking of oils and fats, significantly extend the shelf life of the cream, and maintain fresh flavor. Finally, the palletizing robot arm stacks each box of cream neatly, with precise heights and layer-by-layer bites to reduce the risk of transportation shaking, which is not only efficient, but also saves manpower. This packaging line completes each case with precision, stability, and elegance, even in the face of high viscosity creams and complex working conditions. This is the Mittiway customization advantage, not standard matching equipment, but solutions designed for the customer's process. The journey of a drop of cream, from flow to filling to sealing, every step of the way, Mittiway guards it with technology and care. We don't just sell equipment, we provide precise, efficient, clean, and safe packaging solutions.